Hello students, as we started our third lesson, that is physiography and drainage of 10th standard, and in first video we have seen physiographic divisions of India, and we started that. And in the first video we saw the characteristics, the importance of Himalayas and North Indian plains. Now in this video we are going to see third physiographic division of India. So we are seeing physiography of India, okay, then physiography of Brazil, then drainage system. Drainage system means rivers, system of rivers, okay, how it flows in both countries, which rivers are there in both countries. Again comparison is there between India and Brazil. So we will see third physiography of India. 5 divisions are there. First Himalayas, the North Indian plains. Second, we have seen that Sundarbans. We have seen about that delta in that. Then third one is the peninsula. As I discussed about the peninsula of India, the southern part of the country, which are surrounded by oceans. Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. So the peninsula. Before seeing this video again, should have to keep textbook in front of you. Again, notebook also keep to point out tricky names. Okay, the peninsula, the area lying to the south of North Indian plains and tapering towards the Indian Ocean is called Indian Peninsula. See again, the area lying to the south, of North Indian plains and tapering towards the Indian Ocean, it's called Indian Peninsula. So the area lying towards the south of Northern Indian plains, these are Northern Indian plains in the center of our country. So on the south side of Northern plains, the area is tapering down. Area is tapering. Tapering means narrow side. This is narrow side of south direction. This side, see, observe that this side is called Indian Peninsula. In the south side, which is tapering, which is narrowing towards the south side of India. That is called Indian Peninsula. So should have to note down this definition for answering one sentence and read it, learn it. It consists of many plateaus and hill ranges. Our Indian Peninsula consists of many plateaus, plains and hill ranges. Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat. Eastern Ghats and Western Ghat. Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. These ranges are the hill ranges. The Aravallis in the north are the oldest fold mountain here. It includes a series of plateaus bordering the plains, Vindhyas and Satpura ranges in the central part and the hilly regions of Western and Eastern Ghats. So all these plains, all these hilly ranges are situated in these Indian, along with that Indian Peninsula. See, the Aravallis in the north are the oldest fold mountains here. Fold mountains, Aravallis. These Aravalli ranges, see in the map, this side, these Aravalli ranges. In Aravalli ranges, Mountains are there, and all these mountains are folded mountains, just like Himalayas. Folded mountains, like that, as I said that. Then Vindhyas range, Vindhya mountain. Then Satpura ranges. 7 big hills are there along with that Satpura ranges. In Vidarbha also Satpura ranges are there. Medghat, Chikhaldara, all these ranges, mountain ranges of Satpura mountain. These mountains are situated in the central part and hilly regions of western and eastern Ghats. Western and eastern Ghats. Again see, eastern and western Ghats. This is western Ghats. Konkan side, Sahyadri range. Sahyadri ranges are there. Sahyadri mountains. This is western Ghats along with that coastal area of Konkan. Then eastern Ghat. This is eastern Ghat, and that tapering side is surrounded by Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and that is called Indian Peninsula. This side is called Indian Peninsula. Understand? Note down. So these are the hilly ranges situated along with these regions, these central regions. Then can you tell, on the basis of figure number 3.1, answer the following questions. Figure number 3.1. All these questions are given. These questions you should have to read and solve. Solve problem in your lab book or notebook. Then third is coastal plains. The coastal plains. The coastal plains. Coastal plains. See, in your textbook, India is blessed with a long coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. Say again, India is blessed. We are having such a long coastline. India is blessed with a long coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. Note down this number. That is coastline of India. 7,500 kilometer coastline. We are blessed with that. It lies to the western and eastern part of the peninsula. It lies to the western and eastern part of the peninsula. This peninsula. Okay. Its western and eastern coastlines show remarkable dissimilarities. Similarities are not there. They are divided. Okay. So these dissimilarities we are experiencing, all these. The western coast borders the Arabian Sea. The western coast borders the Arabian Sea. This Arabian Sea. Then it is by and large a rocky coast. This is the characteristics of Arabian Sea. Large and rocky coast. At places, spurs taking off from the western Ghats have extended right up to the coast. Its width is also less. Rivers originating from western Ghats are short. Whatever rivers are originating from western Ghats, all these rivers are short and swift. They are very swift. speed is very high, swift, and hence they form estuaries and not deltas. They form estuaries and not deltas. So, tributaries they are forming. Okay, smaller estuaries they are forming. We have seen deltas and estuaries. In the 9th standard also we have discussed about that. The eastern coast borders the Bay of Bengal. The eastern coast borders the Bay of Bengal. This eastern coast borders the Bay of Bengal. It has formed as a result of depositional works of rivers. Depositional works they are having many east flowing rivers using from the western and eastern Ghats meets this coast. Because of the gentle slope of the land, rivers flow at a lower velocities and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. So as a result, deltas are found along these coasts, along these eastern Ghats. The speed of the flow of the river is less. Because of that, the depositional work is there along with the mouth of the rivers, and that's why all these deltas are formed. We have seen Sundarban deltas which forms along with that Bay of Bengal by two rivers, big rivers, Brahmaputra and Ganga river, and that is the largest delta in the world. That is Sundarbans. Note down. Then island groups. Third one is island groups. Island groups. Island means island bed, as in our language, bed. That is called island. See, in your textbook, India has many small and large islands along the coast of the mainland. Along the coast of the mainland. Whatever the coastline is situated along with mainland, these island groups are formed. So these are included in the coastal island groups. So beside India has two large group of islands. One is in the Arabian Sea and in Bay of Bengal. So two large group of islands are there. They are in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. The islands in Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep, whereas the islands in the Bay of Bengal are called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See in your textbook, map has given Lakshadweep here. Lakshadweep. Along with that, in the Arabian Sea, in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island. These two large islands are formed in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Note down these two names. Most of the islands in Lakshadweep are atoll islands, and they are small in extent and not very high. So these islands in Lakshadweep are small in extent, that spread is not too much, and they are not very high also. That's why they are called atoll islands. Atoll islands, because they are less in extent and not very high. Islands in the Andaman groups are mainly volcanic islands. They are formed because of volcanic eruptions in Andaman and Nicobar. They are large with hills in their interior parts of includes an island called Barren Island. So all these islands includes with hills in their interior. With hills in their interior. Hills are there. Hill ranges are there. Which is the parts of islands. Interior parts of includes an island called barren island. So these ranges, these interior parts of includes an island called barren island, which has the only active volcano in India. So there are atolls in the Nicobar group too. So atolls as well as barren islands are also included in Andaman group. So these are the 5 physiographic divisions of India. Read all these physiographic divisions properly, note down all these names. Observe map. Observe these names in map. Try to understand and have to form your own answers. Read textbook. Okay. So this is the end of our second video of third lesson. We will see physiographic divisions of Brazil in next video. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.